Today we're taking a closer look at the silicone oven mitts that I received from this brand as a possible review sample. So they come two to a package. They are non-slip. They have a nice raised pattern on them that makes them non-slip. I like that the outside of this is silicone, which resists oil and stains. And then I want to show you there's a cloth kind of cuff down here, and then inside super padded and very nicely done with this poly lining. There's also a little hanging hook on each one of these. Also, let's just talk about the size, okay? These are 13 inches, so you put these on, it's going to protect you your entire hand all the way up to your forearm here, which is actually very useful because I can't tell you how many times I've gotten burned down here below. So what would you use these for? You'd use these for cooking, baking, roasting, grilling. I mean, look at the coverage there. Very nice. Gives you the confidence that you need when you reach into the oven to take out a hot pan or when you're outside grilling. So check these out. They are heat resistant up to 450 degrees, which is perfect for cooking and baking and grilling and all the things that we do in the kitchen that get really hot. They come in other colors. Check them out. Thank you to the brand and thank you for watching.